I can be your third man dog. Just a symptom you've forgotten. You slip me in your
Hello friends, I just woke up and today I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day video, and it's been a long time since I've vlogged and I actually really love vlogging, and recently I just felt that like I should just continue doing what I love instead of just putting myself in that little box, like just within my niche of beauty. Today I'm using almond milk. This is the Almond Breeze almond milk, and this is pretty good too, but I usually like the Oatly oat milk, the barista edition, or if not the blue one, the normal one. I don't like the organic one, and I also like to use barista soy milk. I'll link the picture here if you guys want to know. So I have my decaf coffee here. This is by the capsule from Starbucks. You can get it at any like convenience store or like Cold Storage. I don't think FairPrice has it, but Cold Storage has it, and it's really nice and it smells so good. And it's decaf. I try to not take normal coffee for now, like, because I feel that like sometimes when I have too much caffeine I'll get really dizzy and I feel really uncomfortable, so I'll just go ahead with my decaf. So just gonna pour it in.
Don't ask me what my name is. I don't believe in that. Conversations were silent on my strings.
So this color version, it's a really nice milky color. Taste test. So good. So happy. Like, I feel like coffee is so important in my life right now. And then right now we are going in with my coconut yogurt. So this can be bought at Cold Storage, but this one is really expensive, 700 grams for $21, but I mean it's worth it. It tastes so good. Like, I have to tell you guys that this is one of the best tasting coconut yogurt ever, and I try not to take dairy anymore, so this is a dairy-free coconut yogurt. And also for my milk, I had almond milk, right? I try to stop taking in dairy because of my skin, and yeah, this is like almost gone already. I use a little spoon to scrape it off, and I usually take my coconut yogurt with fruits. Some red kiwis here, so apparently it's very sweet and very nutritional. Break this into half and come back in a bit. Okay, I just want to show you guys, this is how the kiwi looks like. It's just a little tint of redness here, so like I think it's pretty cute too, but I don't know, it just looks really red, like it's having a period, or I don't know, because I feel like it's like oozing out, the red pigments are oozing out. Here we go, red kiwi and coconut yogurt, so good. Going out to grab some groceries for tonight's dinner and also my lunch, and the weather ain't looking too good. Here we go. Don't forget my wallet. Bring your own bag. So recently I've been trying to bring my own bag to the grocery store, so I wouldn't waste plastic bags. And okay, so anyways, today's agenda is to go to the grocery store, grab my puree, grab my I want to eat like pesto pasta for lunch, so probably get that. And I don't know how to make pesto pasta, so I'm just gonna go online to check it out, check for the recipe, and then go grab whatever there is in the grocery store. And for dinner, I'm not sure, maybe I'll eat chicken or something, so I'm just gonna go grab it now. Anyway, just so you guys know, I'm barefaced today because your girl is lazy AF. So I'm just gonna put on my mask and no one will realize. Yeah, but to be honest, who the hell knows and cares whether you put on makeup or not with your mask on? So let's just get going. Pretty nice day today, although it might get rainy in a bit, but let's just hope that it doesn't rain because I did not bring my umbrella out. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that my pants is broken. I don't know if it's broken or it's a design. I would like to think that it's a design, but I'll show you guys in a bit. What the hell is this? Good, oh my god. I added some seaweed. So good. Not exactly healthy, but I feel like really good. I don't know, maybe it's because it's like home cooked. It feels like it's a healthier meal. And it's also cheaper. I have my ice water here. I'm gonna watch Gossip Girl right now. So this is my dinner today. I have garlic bread with lobster. My parents have been really obsessed with lobster these days, and we have cheddar cheese on top, and I'm still watching same old Gossip Girl, and I'm in my bed at 7 p.m. Not entirely proud of myself, but I would say this is the best kind of weekend I've ever gotten for a while. Hello guys, so I wanted to end my day with a warm cup of water, and I'm gonna go to sleep because today it's been just a lounging day for me, but I feel like I feel so much better. Like my energy level is back. Tomorrow I can start my day with like a workout, something. Cheers to the world. Good night, everybody. Mwah. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yeah.